Hello, welcome to our intro to Chat GPT. This is a Codecademy course that is available free for a limited time. And I decided to make this tutorial on it because I'm interested in Chat GPT and AI, and I know I held off a long time to finally take a course on it, but what better way than the huge and popular Chat GPT. So, an overview about this course. ChatGPT is a large language model created by the company OpenAI. From language translation to creative writing, artificial intelligence is transforming the way we communicate and interact. ChatGPT is a powerful AI language model that has a wide range of potential applications. Though they often need some editing to get a final state, ChatGPT responses can help people and businesses alike. Skills you'll gain: you'll learn about generative AI, will write effective prompts, and will summarize long text. So these are the different lessons we'll be looking at. Introduction to ChatGPT, Introduction to Generative AI, using ChatGPT in everyday life, ChatGPT in business, ethics, and AI. So it says plus 3 more lessons, and how we'll master it. So we'll practice intros to chat concepts, practice generative AI concepts, practice ChatGPT in everyday life concepts. So it'll be good stuff. If you're interested in learning more about ChatGPT, this is the place to go. I'll see you in the next lesson.